Fire on the Mountain. I want to read Fire on the Mountain. Wildfires are a natural part of the life cycle of the forest. Use this brochure to discover how fires benefit Table Rock State Park and how you can tell if there has been a fire in a forest. Smoke signals. How can you tell if a fire has occurred in a forest? Organisms that survive the fire display evidence while new opportunistic life emerges. Look for these signs of fire along the trail. Survivors. Plants that survive a wildfire often bear the scars of their battle with the flames. Can you find these fire clues? Fire scars. Fire scars can be seen in a tree's rings, creating a record of the fires it has lived through. On a standing tree, fire scars can look like an upside-down V called a cat face, cut into the base of the trunk. Okay, so these are fire scars, it says. So there's a cat face fire scar right there. I've seen those around. Epicormic branching. Epicormic branches are shoots that grow directly from the trunk of the tree. These can sprout to life out of injuries from a fire. Opportunists. While a wildfire is the end for a lot of organisms, it also creates opportunities for new plants to grow by restoring soil nutrients, clearing undergrowth, and removing canopy that blocks sunlight. Do you see any of these signs of new life? Pine sprouts. Fire exposes mineral soil and clears out competing plants, allowing pine seedlings to sprout. Without fire, trees such as pitch, shortleaf, and table mountain pines would vanish from the landscape. Serratinous cones. These cones are found only on trees adapted to fire. They do not open until fire melts the glue that holds the scales closed. This way, seeds are only released when the forest floor is burned clear. There are certain wildflowers that are adapted to grow in soils that are cleared and renewed by fire. Below are a few examples. Can you find any of these blooms along the trail in spring or summer? So you got bloodroot, Jack in the Pulpit, and Pink Lady Slipper. Oh no. Benefits of burning. We all know that fires can be destructive, but did you know that foresters also use fire as a tool to keep forests healthy? Below are some of the reasons prescribed burns are used today. Helps new plants grow. Can you control invasive plants? What prevents larger wildfires? What